all beloved, cooperate. In adverse situation, I have brought a loving and interesting chapter of mathematics, which is as known as coordinate geometry. At first, we discussed about what is coordinate geometry. Geometry, it means zero per metro channel per. Coordinate, it means substitute. What we can say about coordinate? It means substitute. Suppose that you suffer from any disease. The name of medicine, analgesic. If I want to purchase analgesic, but shopkeeper cannot prepare to give me, it means a scarcity of analgesic. The doctor advised me, please take you Novalgin. It means Novalgin is the substitute of analgesic. So we can say that Novalgin is coordinate of analgesic. Similarly, we can say that this is rays, this is line. I asked you which types of line, then you answered horizontal line. But the line same which is in this position, we can say that this is not horizontal line. This is as known as vertical or perpendicular line. Vertical or perpendicular line. Horizontal line, horizontal line. If I ask you what is this, then you boldly answered this is number line. It means the line which has midpoint or axis point is as known as number line. It means forward or backward. The position which is divided in two parts, backward or forward, is as known as number line. We can say that if horizontal line and vertical line intersect to each other at a point, that point is as known as O. O means origin point. Origin point. In Hindi, मूल बिंदु. The line which is horizontal, it means O is origin point of horizontal line. The line which is vertical, O is as known as origin point. It means both line, horizontal and vertical, when intersect to each other at a point, that is as known as origin point. Horizontal has also 0, horizontal has also 0, vertical has also 0. It means 0 and 0. When 0 and 0 surrounded by a small bracket, that is as known as coordinate. It means the coordinates of origin point is 0 and 0. First 0 indicates x and second 0 indicates y. So we can say that the coordinate of origin point x and y are 0 or 0. Now we attention our
विनाशक गणराय
attention
भय
our
से मुक्त करे
mind on board, which is divided by 4 parts. 4 parts, it means x, x dash, y, y dash. What we can say about ox? What we can say about ox dash? What we can say about oy? What we can say about oy dash? Ox, positive end of horizontal line. Horizontal line. Ox dash, negative end of horizontal line. Similarly, OI, positive end of vertical line. OI dash, negative end of vertical line. But in coordinate geometry, what we can say about x dash? What we can say about x dash and what we can say about y dash? X dash is as known as abscissa. Y dash is as known as ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate we understand by an interesting example which is related to a feature films named शोले. आप देखे होंगे शोले फिल्म में ठाकुर दोनों बाहें नहीं हैं, दोनों हाथ नहीं हैं. इट मीन्स ठाकुर इज इन दिस पोजीशन ऑर्डिनेट. मेरे दोनों बाह नहीं हो तो यह टोटल दिखाई देगा. मेरे दोनों बाह हो तो यह क्या होगा? सपोज दैट ईगल, बाज, उड़ता हुआ पंछी, यह दोनों हो सकता है. ओएक्स डैश, पॉजिटिव एंड ऑफ एब्सिसा, हॉरिजॉन्टल. हॉरिजॉन्टल को क्या कर रहे हैं? एब्सिसा. ऑर्डिनेट को क्या कर रहे हैं? वर्टिकल लाइन. अब यहां इस ज्योमेट्री में, इस गणित की प्रशाखा में हम वी ऑल्सो सपोज दैट x dash is as known as abscissa. What we can say about ox? Positive end of abscissa. Ox dash, negative end of abscissa. OI, positive end of ordinate. OI dash, negative end of ordinate. Graph is divided among 4 parts. First part is as known as first quadrants. Second quadrants. Third quadrants. Fourth quadrants. It means when abscissa and ordinate intersect to each other, 4 quadrants are produced. First, what is the sign of OX? Plus. What is the sign of OY? Plus. It means the sign of first quadrants is as known as plus and plus. What is sign of OX dash? Minus. What is sign of OY? Plus. it means the sign of second quadrant is minus and plus. What is the sign of OX dash? Minus. What is the sign of OY dash? Minus. It means minus and minus is the sign of third quadrant. What is the sign of OX? Plus. What is the sign of OY dash? Minus. It means the sign of fourth quadrant is plus and minus. If anybody asks you, what is the sign of fourth quadrant? Answer is plus and minus, which is enclosed, which is surrounded in a small bracket. If anybody asks you, tell the quadrants of which sign is plus and plus, first quadrants. Answer is first quadrants. Through this process, we also locate the point on graph paper, the point on number line, the position of quadrants, which is expressed by anybody. It means first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now we hope that you also understand this position, which is basic conception of coordinate geometry, which also depends on graph paper and geometry. So I want to some homework to prepare all taught points, all taught main points about quadrants. इस विषम परिस्थिति में भी अपनों का सहारा मिल जाए, शायद वह अतुलनीय है। इसी आशा के साथ मैं आपसे पूर्ण आशान्वित हूँ कि इस पढ़ाए गए मुख्य बिंदुओं को आप तैयार करेंगे और अगली कक्षा जो होगी निश्चित आने वाली समस्याओं को स्वतः समाधान करेगी। इसी आशा के साथ आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।